Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to recover your clothes like this. So take a needle and the thread and put it on the cloth like this. Now draw the lines like this using the thread line by line. Put the threads very carefully as we are putting it. Put it around the hole on the cloth, and then after completing it, pull out the thread tightly like this, stretch it, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Then again cover it from the sides. Now put the earbuds and then put the threads around it like this and roll it as shown in the video. Put it one by one, and after that remove the earbuds and the needle together and spread the threads by pulling it like this, and your design will be ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. For making these type of more interesting ways, watch the technique how we are making it and how we are doing it properly. Now after that you have done it, press it like this and see how beautifully it's done. I hope you liked it. Few more as such, or you can just put it lightly like this and pack it, and then put a stone in the between. Now take another cloth and put the threads around it like this. Draw it line by line, take it to the top, and then again put it down like this. Take it in the between again. Now fix it like this. Put the lines by crossing it. Make a zigzag like shape as we are doing. Take it till the top as we are making, and then pull it out from the sides tightly. Spread it, and then it's ready. Next, we will take a thread like this and then put it like this in the sides of the hole. Fix it by making some dots on the clothes if you are not sure. So here we will be making a star. So put the lines one by one and then cover it like this. Make the lines very carefully. Repeat the process and make these stars again and again over it like this. Cover it totally by making a star, and it will be done. I hope you liked it. You can put a stone or some other things in the between so that it looks more attractive. Otherwise, it's done. I hope you got the technique how we are making it, and it's most like a star and a snowflake. Next, we'll take a cloth and put it on the back. Now cover it using the thread. So this stitch is called chain stitch. Now pull it out and see it is covered by the back, and it's done. Next, take a jeans if it's long, fold it like this. Now put the thread in a needle, pull it out. Now fix it by rolling it like this. Make the lines on the top. So keep it in the mind that the distance should be equal, otherwise it won't look good. Fix it properly and then put another color threads on the sides in the between like this. Roll it one by one and fix it properly. Watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing it. Join 3 threads together and fix them like this. Make a star-like shape as we are doing. You can also call it a star stitch like this. Fix it properly and it's ready. I hope you liked it.